Welcome to the RMail video short series on the RMail app for Microsoft Outlook settings. The RMail app for Microsoft Outlook allows you to send emails using the RMail track and prove, encrypt, e-sign, file share, and other features. This video, we will review the RMail language settings in the RMail app for Microsoft Outlook. To view the settings, you have two options. From the inbox, press File, then RMail Settings. The second option is from the Feature dialog box. Press the Settings button. There are two language options. The first is the language option of the Outlook app for Microsoft Outlook. That is called the button language. Click the drop-down, select the language, and the RMail app will be in that new language. The second language option is the RMail Service Language. Click the drop-down, select the language, and the RMail service will be in the language that you selected. This means the banners, the receipts, and other information sent to the recipient will be in this new language. When the language is set to R portal, it means that the language will be set from within the R portal and will override what settings you have here under Service Language. Please note your administrator has the ability to override the settings in the app. If a setting is not behaving as expected, please contact your administrator. Be sure to watch other RMail videos to learn more. Thank you.